Are you suffering from scalp dryness? Are you suffering from itchy scalp? Are you suffering from dandruff? This video is for you. Watch and see how you can prevent such from happening to your hair. Welcome back, guys. Our first ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek, or you can also call it flaxseed, is yellowish and goldenish in nature. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take my time to show you what fenugreek looks like, so that when you want to purchase, you know what you are looking for. It's like a sand. It's like a yellow sand. This is what it looks like. And guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button as we are watching this video. For our second ingredient, we have flaxseed. Flaxseed is brownish in nature, and it looks like a small segment of melon. That it has the shape of melon, but it's not melon, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and also show you what it looks like in detail, so that when you are purchasing, you know what you are getting. So guys, fenugreek and flaxseed has proven to be very nutritious and very effective for the hair, because one of the things that they do for the hair is that they prevent hair fall, and also they prevent dandruff, and also helps to treat itchy scalp. Now for the measurements, I'll be using 1 tablespoon of each. That is 1 tablespoon of fenugreek and also 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. Fenugreek seeds are rich source of iron and protein, which are 2 essential nutrients for hair growth. They also contain compositions of plant compounds, including flavonoids and saponins, which induce hair growth due to their anti-inflammatory and antifungal effects. So I went on ahead to add it to my blender. They sit in my blender, and then I added 10 spoons of olive oil. Now you can use any oil, carrier oil of your choice. You can use jojoba oil, you can use coconut oil, any carrier oil of your choice. Go ahead to blend. Now the reason why I am blending the seeds with oil is because it will help in infusing the seeds into the oil much more faster. Then I went ahead to add 3 more tablespoons of olive oil into the mixture as I go on ahead to do the double boiling method. For double boiling method, I left it on the fire for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then what I do is I stir it, I turn it at interval. So guys, as we're doing this, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. All you have to do is there on your interface, click on that subscribe button there, and that's it, you've subscribed. Whenever I post a new video, you'll get notified. Now going on ahead, I'm going to explain some of the benefits of flaxseed for your hair. Flaxseed is rich in vitamin E, which promotes the health of the scalp by reducing free radical damages. It helps to also improve circulation in the hair, thereby promoting hair growth. It's also rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which helps to keep the hair nourished and prevents hair drying. It also reduces brittleness because of the elasticity that it's going to give your hair strands, and then also helps to nourish your hair and then your scalp. Going on ahead, I covered it and I left it until the next day to extract. I left it after the double boiling method. I went ahead to leave it for extra 24 hours so as to infuse the seed in the oil very well. So I'm going to go ahead and apologize because the clip, I lost the clip of where I extracted the oil. So this is what the oil looks like after extracting with cheesecloth. I went ahead and add 5 drops of tea tree essential oil into the mixture, and guys, it is totally optional. You must not add essential oil, or if you have any other essential oil, you can also use it. So this is the oil, guys. I went ahead to apply it on my hair, and the nose of the spray of the container is bad, so I had to improvise using my palm to get the oil on my hair strands and also my scalp and also on my edges. endeavor to apply it on every part of your hair because it has very good effect. But if you are always having scalp dryness, endeavor to use it to massage your scalp because it's going to stay there and work its magic. Remember, it contains protein, omega-3 fatty acid, flavonoids, vitamin E, vitamin B, all these which are very essential for your hair growth, that also helps to boost hair growth. So guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up button there on your interface. I see you in my next video, guys. Bye.